Hey, good morning.
Hi.
Hi, Ricky.
Jackie,
Nice to meet you. So what happened?
I went to get out of my car and it fell out of my pocket when the doors were already locked.
Gotcha. Hey, so I opened the car and I made you extra key just for free as a gift.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because it's expensive service.
Yeah.
So this key, the gray key, you won't be able to start the car, but you will be able to open. You wanna try?
Open the door?
Yeah.
How much is the
It's
service?
150.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Because you know, next time it
How do
happens.
you take payment?
Card, cash,
Okay.
Zelle. Yeah.
Do you do Zelle?
Yeah.
Okay. So this just opens the outside,
Yeah.
so I'd be able to
Yeah.
have it to open?
Yeah, try it.
Oh, nice. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
no worries.
Well, I have my phone,
Yeah.
so